Today, we're tackling a common issue many AirPods users face: your AirPods randomly connecting while they're still in the case. If you're struggling with this, you're in the right place. So what's happening? Your AirPods should only connect to your device when they're out of the case, but sometimes they connect even when they're tucked away. Let's dive into why this happens. First up, dirty contacts. If there's grime on the AirPods or case contacts, they might not connect properly. Clean them gently with a soft, dry cloth. Next, firmware glitches can cause weird behaviors. Check for any updates for your AirPods. Next, your case has sensors to detect if AirPods are inside. If these are faulty, they might send wrong signals. If you suspect this, it's best to contact Apple support. Next, other devices can interfere with your AirPods Bluetooth. Try disconnecting other devices to see if it helps. Next, low batteries in your AirPods or case can cause connection issues. Make sure everything is fully charged. Sometimes, a simple reset can fix the problem. I'll show you how to reset them in just a bit. Next, outdated software on your connected device can also be a culprit. Always keep your devices updated. Lastly, any drops or damage can affect connectivity. If you've recently dropped your AirPods or the case, this might be the issue. Let's go through some of these solutions. First, let's reset your AirPods. This often solves connectivity issues. Here's how to do it. First, make sure your AirPods are in their case. Close the lid, wait about 30 seconds, then open it up again. Next, on your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Find your AirPods in the list and tap the eye icon next to them. Now tap Forget this device and confirm your choice. Back to your AirPods, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case. The light inside the case should flash white, then amber, indicating the AirPods have reset. Once that's done, reopen the lid and your AirPods are ready to be reconnected to your device as if they were new. If you tried all these and still face issues, it's time to get professional help. Visit your nearest Apple store or contact Apple support. Alright, that's a wrap on fixing the issue of AirPods connecting while in the case. I hope one of these solutions works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions or share your experience. See you in the next video.